Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your domain in Google Search Console. It's pretty simple. First of all, of course, you want to copy the address of your domain. After that, you're just going to go to your Google Search Console, and here on Search Property, you're going to add property, which is your domain. So let's add your domain right here. And to verify it, let's continue. Now, as you can see, you need to verify your ownership via DNS record, which is pretty simple to do. TXT is a recommended record type, so let's use it. What you want to do is copy this DNS configuration for our domain. Now on Hostinger, you're going to go again back to Hostinger. And now you're going to choose your Hostinger, which you want to verify. And here you want to click on DNS name servers. Now here on DNS name servers, you want to manage your DNS records and you want to add a TXT, as it says right here, record. Now you want to add a name, or maybe you don't need it actually. You just need to add a TXT value. So let's leave it like that, and let's leave it this also and add a record. And as you can see, the DNS record was created successfully. Now you want to go back to your Google Search Console and click Verify. And as you can see, the ownership was verified, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.